Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidina wa Nabiyyina bil-Ghasim Mustafa Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Assalamu alayka ya Aba Abdullah wa ala al-arwah allati hallat bifana'ik. عليك مني جماعا سلام الله أبدا ما بقيت وبقي الليل والنهار ولا جعله الله آخر العهد مني لزيارتكم. السلام على الحسين وعلى علي بن الحسين وعلى أولاد الحسين وعلى أصحاب الحسين عليه السلام. One of other factors in patience in social communications. Patient in social communications. That mean Allah saying ادفع بالتي هي أحسن فإذا الذي بينك وبينه عداوة كأنه ولي حميم وما يلقاها إلا الذين صبروا وما يلقاها إلا ذو حظ عظيم. Allah in Holy Quran teach us and to study. We have to study by the Holy Quran, and Allah advises and Ahlul Bayt alayhimus salam advises regarding the our life. Allah gives a lot of point and message in Holy Quran and Ahlul Bayt alayhimus salam's life to us to find our way. The one of that, the social activities. Sometimes we have to patience, we have to stability, we have to wait for our friends or family or anybody in our societies. It's very important. Allah says, if somebody else do very badly to you, you answer him by good and corrections, act to him. It's very important. If somebody else did you badly, you answer him good. If somebody has an enemy with you, you make a friendship with him. It's very difficult, but we have to train ourselves, our hearts. If we can to train ourselves to do it, these are valuable points in our life. We can make a unity. We can control ourselves. We can develop our positions. One of that, if somebody talking very badly to you, it's very difficult. Suddenly you answer him very good. He talking very bad you, he call you very badly by your bad names, and you answer him very good. It's possible? Somebody tell, no, it's very impossible. It never can be done. Yes, Allah say, you have to try. You have to efforts. You have to patience and stability to do it. To do it. Why? Because if somebody telling very badly and you answer badly, how we can improve our life? How we can make a unity? Everybody broken, and differences happening among us, and division happening among us. The thin it's happening among us. This is very important. And it's possible. Why? Because maybe sometimes somebody they have the very bad behavior and you have the good behavior. You have the capacity and your capability to change him. He cannot change himself, but you can change himself because you have a capability. You have a skills. You have a knowledge. You can do it. You can change others with your patience, with your stability, with your endurance. You can change. You can talk with him because you have these points. What is your points? You have very good ethics. You have a very good behavior, but he doesn't have, or she doesn't have, and we can do it. We have used our skills and our knowledge, our capability in our society. We cannot take out everybody in our life. We have to bring them and talk with them. Yes, it's in the first meeting we cannot change himself. We cannot change him. In the second meeting, maybe sometimes we cannot. Or third, fourth, sixth, seventh, We have to try till we get a result. It's very important. We have to change our way and methods to talk with him, to bring him friendly, talk with him. Don't forget each other's brothers and sisters. We have a duty to help each other. Everybody has a capacity and skills to their life, and we can complete our mistakes by our supporters, by our help, by our guidance. Allah say us regarding these are important matters. When Allah saying you must patient in your society communications, that means we can do it, because Allah knows our capability and capacity. He's created us. He knows well as everybody, and we have to try and effort and make a good communication with each other to bring them to the right way and talk with them, or those who are enemy with you in your job, in your activities. Why we want to remove them? Why we want to keep them outside? Why we want to talk to others to don't make current communication with them? No, we have to make a communication. We have to give advice them. We have to guide them. We have to bring them to the right way, because sometimes maybe he doesn't know. He don't listen. He don't hear about these are messages from Allah. Sometimes we have to go. Sometimes we mean ourselves. Sometimes maybe ourselves we cannot manage them, and we have get some other supporters to manage those people, to bring them to the unity. We have to think and try and patience and efforts, like Imam Hussein alayhi salams in Ashrah. Many people against to Imam Hussein, but he doesn't disappointed to that day till to the end of the times. At end of the day of Ashura, he patience and stability and endurance to advise people, to bring them to the right way, and spoke with them. He told to his companions to go among the people and give them my message to them, to bring them to the right way. They are doing wrong. Wake up them and bring them here. Imam Hussein alayhi salam's ways like that. We can do it like his companions in our life or not? Yes, it's not easily. If everything's easily to get it, how we can get the experience, how we can improve our life? إنما العسر يسرا. You have to have a difficult situation to get a result. Without the difficult situation, how you can get a result? My brothers and sisters, we have to train ourselves, our mind, get a patience to everything. Allah saying, وَالَّذِينَ صَبَرُوا ابْتِغَاءَ وَجْهِ رَبِّهِمْ وَأَقَامُوا الصَّلَاةَ وَأَنْفِقُوا مِمَّا رَزَقْنَاهُمْ سِرًّا وَعَلَانِيَةً. What is the meaning? These are social activities. That mean if your friends, your family, your groups, others in your village, in your area, in your country or other country, any Muslims, they need your support, you have to support. You have to infaq them. You have to support them by money, by donation, but some arrangements, but everything. You are doctor, you go and help them. You are manager, you go to the help. Everything you can do it, you have to do. You cannot only use your skills and your capacity for yourself. You have to share to each others. After that you can make a unit. After that we can get a unit. We have improved our confidence. It's very important. Confidence is very important. Hope is very important. Connection with Allah and Ahlul Bayt alayhimus salam in our life is very important. These are factors, they can support us and help us to patient in our life and endurance our way and stand to the way. It's very important. Those who are they need the support, we have to support. We have to support them. Allah give the message. You have to support. سرا وعلانية ويدرؤون بالحسنة السيئة أولئك لهم عقبى الدار. We have to motivation them. We have to motivation to the people. Somebody they disappointed in their life. We have to motivate them and bring them and give a hope to them and advise them. Brothers and sisters, patience is very important to make a unity in our society. After that we can get a power and nobody cannot enemy to us. And Allah will support us by the unity and by the help. Inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.